Lakeside Vacations. I'm at the Atlantic Street Beach Access in Kill Devil Hills this morning with your beach report for Thursday, April 26th. We got some April showers this morning, but hopefully we'll be seeing some sun by this afternoon. It's nice and warm though. It's going to get up to almost 80 degrees today. And then looking ahead, it's going to cool down into the 60s tomorrow, and then moving into the weekend, it should be in the mid to upper 60s. But the sun's going to stick around, so it should be a nice spring weekend, bright and sunny. A little cool in the upper 60s, but not too bad. Definitely a good time to be down here on the beach. As for surf, unfortunately, we don't have much surf going on today, but we've had a good run over the past few days. We had some great surf coming out of last weekend and then pretty much all the way through yesterday. So we are definitely thankful for that. Looking ahead, it doesn't look like we'll have too much surf over the next few days, but we'll keep an eye on that. And as for fishing is going real good. A lot of fish coming off the piers and out of the surf. We got anything from bluefish, speckled trout, gray trout, puffers, skate, some flounder, some croaker. So a wide variety of fish. And then offshore they're seeing yellowfin, blackfin, mahi, wahoo. So it's definitely a good time to be down here for some spring fishing. And I'll give you a quick peek at the beach this morning. Not much going on. This rain is keeping people off the beach, but hopefully this afternoon will be a little bit nicer. So it's a pretty peaceful morning. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look. OuterBanksVacations.com. Have yourself a great Thursday. Talk to you soon.